Hello everyone, welcome to the Plerdy channel. My name is Marta, I'm marketing manager, and in this video we'll talk about customer journey mapping. But before we start, please make sure you subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our new videos. So do you know that nearly 70% of online shoppers abandoned their cart in the last year? And the number one question that all online retailers have after they see such stats is why does customers spend so much time adding the products to the cart just to close the tab without buying it? To understand what leads to abandonment on your website, we need to map our customers' journey on the website. We need to check what users do on the website, where do they click, in which order, and what steps of their journey have the highest bounce rate. Those steps will alert us about the problems and will let us know that something is wrong on this specific event page. So, first step in creating a customer journey map is analyzing the heat map. So, we need to open our Plerdy account, go to heat maps, clicks, and here we'll be able to open the heat map on our website. So I already have it opened. So on this page, we have the information about clicks on our website and the order of those clicks. So if we hover a specific element on our website, we'll see here is a sequence of clicks. And we'll be able to identify the order of clicks and steps on our website. For example, we can check that like filter buttons, button one was in most cases clicked as number four, so 10 clicks was done in a first order. So we can then create a customer journey map, which will have this filter button as a first step. Of our customer journey. So, when we got a basic idea or an overview, we can create the funnel in our Plerdy account. We have to go to conversions and set up the funnel. So we give it a name here, and one by one, we can add different steps that, in our opinion, lead to the conversion. So if we saw on the website that the first step was using a filter, we are adding this action as a first step here. So when we created this funnel, the data about it will be collected, and we will be able to check the data after all. This is just an example. But in our case, if we have more steps, of course, each of them will be represented in the funnel. But analyzing this funnel will give us an idea about the bounce rate on each specific stage of this journey. And if we notice that on some of the stages, on some of the pages, the bounce rate is higher than on others, or is just we think that this is a too high bounce rate. This is already the information that something is wrong on this page, and there are probably some issues, some problems. So first of all, we need to go to the website and try to reproduce this funnel that we created to check on our own. Maybe we'll notice some errors and we'll understand why is it happening, why people are leaving the website on this page, if there are some mistakes. If we have done this, we tested this journey and we see no issues, no problem that can be affecting our customer journey, we can use the video sessions on our website. It will give us a better understanding of our customers, and we will see their journey on the website with our customers' eyes. So we can go to list of video sessions. We can filter them and search for a specific video session that contains the specific part of the journey we are considering, and we have doubts about this page, we can apply this filter and one by one check those video sessions to identify what is wrong with this with this page. Of course, there are many other factors that can influence customer journey map, and they don't like those factors don't always depend on us because sometimes a decision about leaving a website is based on customer personal preferences, on their emotions, and this is not something we can influence. But we have a full control of our website, of the ease and comfort of using our website and interacting with it. So you need to make sure that on all of the steps of your customer journey, you provide the best experience and you provide your customers with a simple and comfortable way of buying a product on your website or achieving any other macro goals you have on the website. So thank you for watching this video till the end. I wish you luck in creating customer journey maps and of course a lot of conversions and high user experience on the website. Thanks. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.